Good day, dear judges and viewers. I am Gayatri.
I am Kilash.
I am Babu.
I am Deva.
I am Jonathan. Today, I am going to explain the problem that we face on learning science concept and how we solve it. The problem started with me. As per usual, when I was learning about circuit under the year 5 electric topic, I could connect all electric components which are battery, battery holder, bulb, bulb holder, wire and switch. Whether to see the bulb lights up or not. Yes, through this connection, of course, I learned about complete circuit, but I do not know how these connections are made in electric and electronic devices which are being used in daily life. I couldn't really create an electric and electronic on my own by inserting the components inside. I have no idea where to put the switch, how to insert the motor and so on.
After a few trials and errors, we came up with this innovation, the 3R table fan and lamp. These were designed specifically to enhance students' understanding of circuit. A complete circuit means a complete loop with the electricity flowing from its source to the components and back to the source. Our DIY table fan, we can easily witness that the electricity flowing from the battery to switch to DC motor and DC motor back to the batteries. With our DIY 3R table lamp, we can also witness that with the from the power supply to switch to LED lights back to the power supply. Our ultimate objective is to make the students conceptualize our circuit is made out of electric and electrical devices. We want the students to learn real-life applications of circuit. At the same time, our objective is to reuse, reduce, recycle. We also want to produce cool air and create a comfortable environment to study even if there is no electricity all of a sudden. We definitely do not want to be taken in this hot weather. And we want to have a better vision and a comfortable atmosphere to study without turning on huge ceiling lights. Last but not least, we want to repurpose and recycle plastic items without dumping them into ground or sea. This way, we can reduce the pollution.
Now let me tell you how to create this table fan. It is made of used cardboard, shoebox, bottle cap and simple circuit which are battery, wire, switch, DC motor. These are the things inside the fan. As simple as that.
There are a lot of table fan in the market, but we are used of cardboard and plastic. It makes it unique. It can be sold at school, so that it can be kept at the student table. By integrating our table fan and lamp together with the science concept, which is physics and engineering, we are fostering innovation. This is SDG 9. By creating an environment-friendly product, we are producing sustainable cities and communities. This is SDG 11. By recycling and repurposing used cardboard, bottle cap, we are cultivating responsible consumption and production. This is SDG 12. I hope you got a clear picture on how we integrated our DIY 3R table fan and lamp to teach a simple science concept that electricity flows from its source to the components and back to its source. As simple as that. Let's make a difference in our teaching techniques to ease the understanding of our younger generation. Thank you.